Ngulokunye kufa lokuhlatimulisa umtimba. Mmatlala ubulawe ngaphandle kwasekhaya kubo.
It was around 12:30 Thursday night. I heard a noise on the street. I went outside. When I passed my car, I saw a person running with fire. She was burning from head to toe. We woke up the neighbors. I told them, on that flame, what you see there is a human being. She was still burning from the top to the head, but downwards the fire was dead because she fell on the ground.
Lomphakathi usitehlakalo tekuhlukubedwa ngekebulili setitayelekile kulendzawo.
Basadi ga re ikutlwe re le safe le se.
She says, as women, they don't feel safe at all because even those who find courage to report at the police station are told to go resolve their issues with their partners. Now women have gotten used to this, and that is why they suffer in silence.
We have another case whereby a boyfriend have just taken a fire and put to a woman's private parts, whereby it's so painful. We also have another people who are now, another lady who is now in hospital, fighting for her life, was stabbed by a boyfriend. We are tired of these things.
Umndeni waMoahlodi ude luthemba lekuthi kudoba nebulungiso lobanele kuleli cala. Lobutoletsa kutfula kulomndeni.
He says before this happened, he actually had a discussion with his colleagues about why men kill their girlfriends, not knowing that it would happen in his family. What hurts him the most is that if our justice system was fair, he would get punished. But now he's going to come back with a degree.
Umsolo Sipho Sibanda kulendzele kavele enqanelo yamantshi yase Koster ngalesibili evikini lelitako.